Welcome to the Viewfold Demo. Viewfold was designed and built with OpenAI's Codex during Build Week. Codex helped write, test, and refine the product, while OpenAI's speech model narrates this demo. Now let's see how Viewfold is used to develop Orbital, a scientific meditation app, and make visual software work clearer and more reliable. Viewfold begins with the product, not an empty chat. Orbital's screens, states, instructions, pending work, and accepted results live in one workspace. The developer can see the whole app, then move directly to what needs attention. Adding Orbital takes one setup prompt. Codex registers the project, uses its real build and capture paths, and keeps Orbital's evidence isolated from every other project on the Mac. There is no manual screenshot shuffle to maintain. From there, Viewfold organizes every reachable screen and nested state. Paths preserve where each view belongs. Themes keep light and dark evidence in separate groups. Search and filters narrow the board without losing the surrounding product structure. The App Atlas turns that inventory into a navigable product model. Here, Viewfold maps its own screen ledger structure. Selecting Screenshot Map gently recedes unrelated branches and reveals its immediate screenshots. The breadcrumb preserves the route through Review Workspace. After the layout settles, the connection lines complete the structure, so the developer always knows where they are. Some decisions should apply beyond one screenshot. General guidance can cover the whole app, a section, or a specific screen group. Orbital's calm tone, safety rules, and accessibility priorities stay attached to the relevant context, so they do not need to be repeated in every prompt. For a precise change, the screenshot becomes the shared language. The developer marks the pause control, and Viewfold places a comment beside the image with a callout to the exact region. Several corrections can be prepared before anything is sent to Codex. Less explaining, less ambiguity, and fewer correction loops. If the direction itself is not working, Explore asks the coding agent for visual alternatives before committing to one implementation. Here, 4 real treatments of Orbital's breathing player can be inspected, compared, annotated, refined, or used as the basis for another round. Feedback stays beside the choice being made. Related variants remain connected, without being confused with revision history. Orbital's light and dark experiences can be viewed alone or side by side, and the same pattern supports platform, accessibility, or other product states that deserve deliberate comparison. OpenAI's Codex is also Viewfold's implementation engine. When the batch is ready, Viewfold assembles the selected requests, annotations, scope, and persistent guidance into one bounded handoff. Codex works in the project's normal task, with enough visual context to act and a clear definition of the evidence it must return. After the implementation is built and recaptured, work moves from pending changes to review. The requested state and the updated state appear together. The developer can inspect them side by side or use the overlay to catch subtle differences. Accepting the update clears the request only after the result has been visually verified. The accepted screenshot becomes Orbital's current visual record. The workspace is ready for the next batch, while the decisions, structure, and verified history remain organized for the developer and the coding agent. That is Viewfold, a calmer way to turn visual intent into working software. See every state, steer every change.